Hello, in this video we will see how to import data and how to do our weekly planning. First, from EAM you go to work orders menu. Here you can just save these work orders to Excel file. So make sure that you have these columns in this order, same with Excel file. So these columns from D to W columns, we copy and paste work order data from EAM. But simply how you arrange these columns is you just click edit if you use EAM, and then layout, and then in layout first we just click, for example, you want to take activity, click activity and click this button. See, activity is going last. And then if you want to change the order position of activity, you just click arrow. So now it's going one up. It's going one up. So, and if you want to remove visible fields, just click select the field and then click remove selected arrow. So be sure that these columns in Excel starting from D, column D, and up to column W. So we have master these visible fields. So then click save to Excel button here, Excel work order saved, just open, and make sure that you start copying from row 2. Do not need to copy headers. Click right arrow and then keep pressing right arrow, down arrow, select all work orders, and then just Ctrl C. And then when pasting data, make sure that you don't paste headers here. You just select D3 and then right click D3 and then ensure that you always select paste only value. Now we just paste all work orders. So now we can start our weekly planning. So there are two options here. First option is you can select copy to selected week. So from here you select week number. So work orders will be copied to this week. So we have week numbers here, and then this example, let's do week number 2. We want to copy work orders to week number 2, for example. And then from here, from drop down list, so which work you want to copy. For example, this one, click arrow here, drop down list, and select which day you want to copy this work order in week number 2. So let's say in week number 2, you want to copy this work order to Monday. And here, say this work order we want to copy Monday again. So it's very simple, as you see. Let's say, for example, this work order Tuesday, this work order Tuesday, this work order Monday again. So this is very simple. You just simply select which day you want to copy this work order from drop down list. Logic is very simple, and these works will be copied to these days. And then once you finish selecting, you just click copy to weekly plan. So if we go to week 2 in our weekly plan, so in week 2 we see the work orders are copied here. So these columns up to here, getting data from here. I try to explain here. So from here to here, between red lines, this information is copied to our weekly plan. So data to be copied to weekly plan, extracted from CMMS. So if you change these headers, the change will be reflected in our weekly plan. So instead of position, for example, if you write equipment, or if you in future we will translate it in other languages. So in weekly plan sheet, we will see this change. You see equipment. So no need to change headers in the weekly plan manually. Again, I try to mention here these headers, which is in red color, you should not modify these headers. This was our first option, copy to weekly plan. And another option is copy to week of the planned start date. So if you click this, so now you see this area is highlighted, and even if I click here, I cannot select this column. I can only select this column now. See, they are scheduled start dates here. So for example, 22nd of June. If I click, if I want to have this work order to be copied in 22nd of June, to be copied under this date of related week. So I just select here, come here and select from drop down list or auto. Very simple. So these work orders will be copied to these dates. So let's say for example 21, let's copy this work order and this work order for 20. You see how simple. If you want to copy this work order to the weekly plan, just come here and select auto. So once you finish selecting the work orders, which work orders you want to copy, you just select auto from drop down list and then click copy to weekly plan. Where those work orders are being copied to that week. So if we scroll to right, so week number 25, those work orders are copied to the related days. So 21 is copied here. 22nd, those work orders are copied here. So another example I want to show you. So our working hour is estimated hour is 48 hours. I want to copy this work order on Tuesday. So when I click copy to weekly plan button, you see Excel is warning us task, description of task, etc. Estimated hours 48 hours, asking us include weekends as working day. If I click yes, also Saturday and Sunday will be included. I want to click no. So we didn't want to include weekends. So let's go to week 2. And this work is started from Tuesday. You see. So our working hour per day is 8 hours. So every day Excel copied 8 hours for this task. Wednesday we see 8 hours. Thursday we see 8 hours copied. Friday we see 8 hours. So if I would select yes, so you would see under Saturday, you would see that it copied this work order under Saturday and if necessary Sunday. So since I selected no, so I didn't include weekends. So and since we needed 6 days for this work to be completed, so once week 2 is finished on Friday, so it copied, Excel copied the remaining work automatically to the next week. If you come to week 3, you see it is copied also here. You see, and also Tuesday. So 6 days is completed. And if you go to weekly plan, here you can see it is automatically also calculating MPI figures. So from this menu you can just scroll to which day you want to go. So if you want to go Wednesday, you can directly go to Wednesday. If you want to go Tuesday, you can directly go Tuesday. So this is just helping you to navigate between dates. In next video, we will go detail about spare parts planning, about SIC, short interval controls. I can show you also, and if you don't have any blank row below, so let's say just to see that it is added below this. So if you come here, if you click insert row, and if you select I want to insert row to the unplanned emergency works on Monday. So how many you want to include? So let's say 2 insert rows. You see, those 2 rows are inserted here.